Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's blue? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries, and today we're going to uncover this magical mystery in the simplest way possible. Get ready for an amazing journey through the science of our blue sky. The answer involves an incredible journey of light, starting 93 million miles away at our sun. Every second, the sun sends out countless rays of light, traveling through the darkness of space at incredible speeds. But here's where it gets interesting. When this sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere, something remarkable happens. You see, sunlight isn't just one color, it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow. But then why don't we see a rainbow-colored sky? This is where our atmosphere's tiny particles come into play. As sunlight travels through our atmosphere, it bumps into countless tiny molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. These molecules are incredibly small, much smaller than a grain of sand, but they play a crucial role in creating our blue sky. When sunlight hits these tiny particles, something called Rayleigh scattering occurs. Think of it like a cosmic game of pinball, where light bounces off these particles in different directions. Here's the fascinating part. Blue light gets scattered much more than other colors. It's like these molecules are playing favorites with blue light, bouncing it around much more than red or yellow light. That's why when we look up, we see a beautiful blue canvas above us. The scattered blue light reaches our eyes from all directions in the sky. But what about sunrise and sunset? You might have noticed the sky turns beautiful shades of orange and red during these times. That's because when the sun is low on the horizon, sunlight has to travel through much more atmosphere to reach our eyes. By then, most of the blue light has been scattered away, leaving primarily red and orange light to paint our sunset skies. Isn't it amazing how the same process that makes our sky blue during the day creates such spectacular shows at sunrise and sunset? Our atmosphere is like a giant natural light show, constantly working to create the beautiful world we see above us. So the next time you look up at the blue sky, remember you're witnessing an incredible display of light physics in action. And that's the simple science behind why our sky is blue. A perfect blend of sunlight, atmosphere, and the amazing process of light scattering.